So before we go into this video, I just want to say multiple things. Firstly, thanks so much for all of the support, and huge thanks to all of the guys that have been subscribed and stayed with me during my journey on YouTube. And secondly, I kinda messed up the mic settings on this video because it's just heavily distorted and everything. It's just get ready for an ear explosion because of the mic being too close to me. I thought it would not be as loud as it is on my phone, but yeah. Anyways, I just want to stop yapping now. Enjoy the video. So before we go into this video, I just want to say I'm not sponsored with any brand I'll mention in this video. And also, holy crap, you got the desk reveal today. Yeah. I bought the WH-1000XM5s by Sony. This is such a catchy name, brother. Holy hell, dude. But yeah, today we're gonna be diving into them, check everything out if it's good. And yeah, I will just give my personal opinion on them. I don't have like any binaural mics on here. I just have my trusty blue Yeti I plugged into my phone. And yeah, let's go. Got the headphones right here in their package, and let's just remove this wrapper. Oh my god, it's glued really powerful. Okay, here we go. This is a pretty ugly looking box, I can't even lie. Let's just uncover what it's inside. Oh my god, it doesn't want to uncover stuff. Any seals on the edges? No, I don't think so. I can hear sounds from the box itself. Open up, bro. Let's just remove this wrapper thingy. Goodbye. And woo! This is a nice hard case, I can't even lie. Booklet. I'll take a look at that later. That's a pretty small hard case as well. I definitely expected it to be bigger. Let's just take a look inside. There's no gold though, yeah. But yeah, let's just open it up and take a look at what is inside. Ooh, they're definitely really nice looking. Oh my god, those ear cups, dude, they swivel really well, and they just look really nice. Only okay, it does just well. I thought these were like so thin that it would just break in 0.5 seconds. I'll just put them on real quick. Now, before we move on, what else is in here? I gotta put them down flat like that. Here we go. Now let me put them back into the hard case and just take a look at what's inside. If you thought if I meant with what's inside the headphones, no. You got an aux cable in case the battery passes out, or if you want to use a PC that doesn't have Bluetooth like mine, and a charging cable. Very nice. Now here you got a no holding thing. You know, it's just these three guys. So yeah, I'ma just check them out real quick. I had these guys on for a couple seconds. I already felt like this thing screams comfortability. Like just the ear pad. Whoa! Like you got the speaker. Like your ear does touch the thing, the covering between the speaker and your ear. But it's definitely not bad. It is very comfortable, I can't even lie. Got the aux port here, on off button here, NCMB, I have no clue what that means. I think it's for the active noise cancelling or something. But yeah, let's just take a look at this stupid. Yeah, I might just take a quick listen on these and test the mic and everything, you know. So today I decided to go to the supermarket to buy apples, but I didn't bring any shoes with me, so I had to go home again. And I at first didn't even realize that I didn't have any shoes with me. Just some random guy told me that I don't have any, so I went back home again and brought some, and then I realized I accidentally brought Crocs with me. So the mic is not bad, to say the least. Like, it's nothing that great if you compare it to like something like my Blue Yeti mic. But if you compare it, honestly, if you compare it to my Razer Krakens right here, the mic is strong, to say the least. Like, the mic on this guy got mad very quickly, but here the mic is really good, to say the least, for Bluetooth headphones especially. And these ear cups swivel really well, and but the only problem is I got them in black, and the issue with that is you can already see the little fingerprint thingy on there. But yeah, otherwise really beautiful headphones. They sound amazing, to be fair. Like, there is a ton of bass going on in them, but you can EQ a little for the treble to come through, but the treble isn't that bad if you listen to it normally. The bass is, as said, pretty damn good. And yeah, the EQ really does kind of help. Now, I personally already had great experiences with Sony headphones. I had some dirty buds from them, and my first ever headphones were from the same brand. And they all got old pretty quickly, but they were cheap as hell. These cost 300 euros. Yeah, and the warranty costs 50 more or something like that. But yeah, is it worth the price? Kinda. They are super comfortable. The only downside I have with them is that they get sweaty pretty quickly, and it just gets pretty warm. But that's literally the only issue. I haven't tested the touch controls yet, but right now I just care about the sound quality and everything. And as said, mic is solid. It got an aux jack if your battery dies or if you want to use it on a PC. And yeah, USB-C, my beloved. They are good. Thanks for watching. If you want more, then you want more, and also subscribe to my channel. And yeah, peace out.
Can't fix this, I hope you believe that I tried.